Talan Products is growing in floor space, equipment, and people. We have 2 new additions to our press room lineup. 2 200-ton high-speed Minster presses. Here's the thing, we can certainly buy brand new zero-time punch presses, but why? We can also purchase great used presses and rebuild them to factory new condition. We also update these presses with the most modern electronics, sensors, and controls. We recently asked Nate Moore, our head of maintenance, who has over 25 years experience with press room and manufacturing equipment, the following question. Nate, what is the difference between a brand new press and one that we rebuild?
Not a damn thing.
Next up, there is a 600-ton Minster being rebuilt today and will be delivered in the coming weeks. We like to think of ourselves as a green company, serving green industries. We have efficient lighting, motors, environmental systems. We monitor our waste streams, but a lot of companies do that today. The greenest thing we have done is to revitalize our facility, a former TRW valve plant. There is embedded energy in existing buildings. The environmental cost to demolish them and build new is significant. By revitalizing this existing structure rather than building new, we reduce our carbon footprint. We have added floor space and now have greater than 250,000 square feet under one roof, as they say. We are proud of our facility in the heart of Cleveland. We have everything we need here, including a superior workforce. Our machines don't run themselves. It takes our people, our growing team, to make the hundreds of millions of parts we ship to our customers every year. Our team is responsible for delivering parts to our customers on time, meeting every specification, and made in a more efficient manner than our peers, keeping us globally competitive on metal stampings and fabricated aluminum extrusions. The owners of Talan Products haven't achieved an 18.6 CAGR, that's compound average growth rate, over 35 years by accident. Give us a call today and find out just what this awesome team can do for you.